Hello, I think we're filming here. So I am back taking a look at continuing in Unit 2, Lesson 10. Last time we created your basic HTML. Now again, let's get the right tab up here. Notice it's telling me that you don't need the HTML head and body. It says you can do it automatically and clean up. I think I just click clean up and everything's okay. So it's just starting with my heading 1. So I guess that does it automatically for you. So we have added, we have our title, we have our image, which right now is kind of small. We can adjust that later. We have our bio, so we have our sections, our bio heading, our tracks heading, there's our heading 2, and our shows heading. So if you're looking where my arrow is, this is where we're going to be working right here. So we're going to do just adding the tracks from Soundcloud is going to be our next piece. So for my tracks, the suggestion is to go to Soundcloud and search for beats. So I do have Soundcloud open, and then you'll see some popular tracks and look for a button called share. That's going to give you the URL. You also have the unordered list container tag along with how that reference would look like. And then what's in white here is where you would put the name of the track title. So you can certainly copy and paste this section 3 times. So I'm going to go ahead and copy, and I'm going to go back into here, and this is going to go in my track section. So I'm going to enter, and I'm going to go paste. And let's see, I don't need the unordered list in there 3 times, I don't believe. No, so I can just click enter, and then I'm going to copy and paste. Now, a lot of times your lessons are going to tell you to resist the urge to copy and paste so you can get accustomed to using the opening and closing tags. But in this case, we're copying and pasting. Now I did click, it does save to the cloud every now and then I ran the program again. So right now under my tracks, I just have the words track title. That becomes my link. And right now I just have a sample URL. So I've got to replace those links with the correct links. So I'm going to pause and take care of that. So I'm on SoundCloud. I searched for beats. I did some filters. The music you choose is kind of arbitrary. If you have a different source for free music URLs, go ahead and use it. No worries. I'm going to click that share button, and that's going to give me the URL. I believe right here. You can shorten that link or not. Doesn't really matter. And then we'll go ahead and copy that link. And then back in our music, right where it says sample URL that we copied and pasted. I don't know why it's giving me all of them highlighted, but we'll get rid of this and we will paste that. And then we can change that track title to what it really is, which I think it was called Balcony Beats. So I can change that to Balcony Beats. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to scoot this over a little bit. So, and it kind of grows with me. So you can see I've added 3 different links. It appears in 3 different lines because I'm on that unordered list. And right now it still says track title, but as soon as I click run, it's going to rerun. And now I have my 3 titles. It's not directly loading to SoundCloud right now. I'm getting the sad face, but I'm not going to worry about that just yet. Let's just save that. So I'm not too worried about that just yet. So don't worry if your links don't work at this point. So in the next video, we'll take a look at how to add your table to your shows section down here. Let's get that sad face out of there. All right, hopefully this helped. Let me know if it didn't, and I'll work to make things better. Have a great day. Bye.